Your design budget just became zero. These AI tools replace $5,000 software, and they're completely free. Here's how top businesses are using them to cut costs and speed up production. Professional graphic design traditionally costs $50, $100, and $100 per hour. For small teams, that's thousands monthly. AI-powered design tools now deliver studio-quality results instantly, at zero cost. Entrepreneurs are redirecting budgets to growth instead of design fees. Let's explore the tools changing the game. Canva AI handles social media, presentations, and branding. Figma's free tier supports team collaboration and prototyping. Leonardo.ai generates stunning imagery for marketing. Remove.bg cuts out backgrounds instantly. Crayon creates custom visuals from text descriptions. Each solves specific. E-commerce shops cut design time by 70% using Canva's templates. Startups launch professional branding for under $100 using free tools. Agencies now use AI for drafts, then refine with designers. One agency reported 15,000 monthly savings by automating repetitive designs. These aren't theoretical businesses are implementing today. Pick one tool matching your needs. Social content creators choose Canva, developers prefer Figma, product teams use Leonardo. Spend 30 minutes exploring. Create one asset using AI. Compare results to your current process. Most teams see immediate productivity gains and cost reductions within days. Subscribe for more AI business strategies. Like this video if you're saving money on design. Comment which